Good morning, everybody. Now we are going to have student which class? EVS. Yes. Last time I have taught you all the chapter food. I explained you all and I also gave you all homework drawing. Isn't it? Two drawings. I told you all to draw it out and color it. I hope all of you have done. Now today we will be doing the objective portions and question answers. I'll give you all the snapshot and please see that you work out. The book portion, you will do it in the book, and the copy portion, you have got to copy down in your exercise, EVS exercise copy. Okay, one side the page blank where you have done the drawing, very right page, you write the chapter name, the food, date, and start copying the question answers over there. It's clear to you? Drawing must be on the blank page. I gave you last time drawing all about different kinds of food. And the rule page, you have to start doing the question answers. Okay. So today, take out your pencil. Page 29. I'll be calling out the answers. You please do it like good children, okay? Now number A, page 29, number A. Tick the correct answer. Number 1. How many meals do we eat in a day? How many meals do we have? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. So how many meals? How many? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Then 3. So tick. Beside the 3 there is a circle. Tick with your pencil over there. Number 2. Which food do we eat from the animals? Here are 3 answers given. So which is the right answer? You have to put tick over there. Okay. So the right answer is what? Which food do we eat? We get from animals? From animals, which food do we get? We got to write. Yes. Rice, fish, papaya. So from animals, what we get? Rice, fish, papaya. Which one? Yes. Can you tell which one? We get fish. From animals we get fish. Put tick beside the fish. Number 3. Which one is a fast food? Chapati, egg, pizza. Out of 3, which is the right answer? Chapati, egg, pizza. So pizza is the fast food. Put tick beside it. Now B. Circle the correct words. Here also 2 options are there, which is right one, you got to put tick. We have breakfast in the morning and afternoon. Breakfast when do we have? In the afternoon? No, we have it in the morning. So put right on the morning. See, the answers are written in blue. So put tick with your pencil, blue. Food keeps us body fit and unfit. So put tick on the fit, F-I-T, fit, first one. Food doesn't make us unfit, it gives us energy, makes us strong. So it keeps us fit, so put tick on the fit. Number 3, fast foods are good or bad for health? Fast foods are bad for health. So put tick on the bad. Fast foods are bad for health. Number 4, we should not eat uncovered food. So we should not eat uncovered food. Put tick on uncovered. because you keep the food open for a long time, the food, lot of germs get inside it, and for which if you eat, you may fall sick. So student, we must always eat covered food. Number 5, we should drink clean, dirty water. Is it good to drink dirty water? No, it will make you fall sick. So we must drink clean water, which is very good for our health. We should drink clean water. So put tick on the clean. Got it? Now we will do true and false. Get your pencil ready, please. Please write as I am telling you, students. Number 1, food helps our body to grow. Yes or no? True. Food helps our body to grow. So answer is true. Bread and rice gives us energy. True or false? It's true. Number 2 is true. Number 3, we have lunch at night. False. At night we have dinner. So it will be wrong. Number 3, we should have lunch at night, is wrong. It will be dinner. Number 4, spinach is a fast food. No. The spinach is not at all a fast food. So it will be false. We should always eat slowly. True. In hurry, if you eat, there's a possibility of food getting stuck on your throat. So we should always eat slowly. So objectives are done, and here are 3 questions which I've already done in my copy, and I have added few more question answers here, which I'll give you the snapshots, which you have to write down in your exercise copy. So those 3 question answers from the book, and I have given you 4 more question answers from my own. So now I'm reading out the question answers. Please listen. Number 1, why do we need food? The answer will be, we need food to stay alive. This is question number 1. Question number 2, name 3 foods that give us energy. You only have to write the name. Bread, rice, potato. Number 4, name 3 foods that help our body to grow. It will be eggs, meat and fish. Number 4, name 3 foods that keeps us healthy. It will be apple, papaya and spinach. So these are the foods which keeps us healthy. How many meals do you take in a day? Means in total day from morning to night, how many meals do you take? We always take 3 meals in a day. The answer will be, we take 3 meals in a day. Number 6, write the names of 2 things that we get from animals. Any 2 things that we get from the animals. That is milk and eggs. Number 7, why should we not eat fast food? We should not eat fast food because it is not good for our health. Why we should not eat fast food? We should not eat fast food because it is not good for health. Got it, student? So today EVS food chapter completed. I have done the exercises. First I explained you exercises are done. Question answers also done. All snapshots I will be giving. So next class we will start the chapter water. Is clear to you? Okay, take care. We will be meeting soon on the next class with the new chapter which I am going to teach, is the water. Got it? Okay.